Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change your song order on Spotify playlist. Please make sure to watch this video until the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes in this process. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, the first thing you need to do is head over to your Play Store and now search for Spotify. And make sure Spotify is updated to the latest version. Once that is done, click on Open. You'll be brought to the home page here, and now click on your library to view your playlist. So all your playlists should be here. So I'm going to edit this playlist here. To edit the order of this playlist, simply click on the three vertical dots like so, and then where it says edit playlist, click onto that, and you can change the image of this playlist, change the name, and then for the order of this playlist, you simply hold on to the three lines and then simply move and shuffle them where you want them to go. It's as simple as that, guys. Alright, thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. We really appreciate it and it helps us out a lot.